Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan strawberry mousse using just these 4 ingredients. This is all you need to make a beautiful, rich and sweet strawberry mousse. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin bookmark and save for whenever you want to make this. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try. So the ingredients we have today are beautiful fresh strawberries. I'm using maple syrup, but if you want it to be a low carb recipe, you can use stevia instead to sweeten. I've got some coconut milk which has been in the fridge for a whole 24 hours. I popped it in yesterday afternoon knowing I wanted to make this, and now this afternoon I'm ready to make it and show you how. And I am using this dairy-free cream cheese variety that I found. It's a soft cheese. It's actually got coconut oil, this one, instead of soy, but you can use, there's loads of cream cheese alternatives, dairy-free cream cheese alternatives on the market depending where you are. I'm in Ireland, we've got Tesco here. This is what I found, and that is what I'm going to do. And the first step is making coconut milk whipped cream. So this has been in the fridge. You've got to be careful not to shake it or anything, and I'm going to show you how to make that. Now we're going to start by making our coconut milk whipped cream. I've got a bowl over here. We've got our coconut milk, and I'm just going to open up the tin, and then we'll just pop the thick coconut on top. You can see it's super thick. This is going to make a lovely creamy coconut milk whipped cream. So we're going to pop all the coconut in here, and once we get to the liquid down the bottom we'll stop, and we don't include the liquid in. So we've got all the coconut milk solids, and you can see down the bottom all the liquid. We're going to leave that. That's great to use in smoothies, loads of other ways. And we're going to now whip this up to nice creamy whipped cream. Here we go. There you go. You can see we've got coconut whipped cream, coconut milk whipped cream. And now we're going to whisk in our sweetness. It really depends on how sweet you want it, but I am loving maple syrup lately, and I find 2 tablespoons of maple syrup is more than enough, but you might want to do 1/4 cup or as sweet as you like it. So we're going to whisk that in. And we just scrape down the sides so that it all mixes through nicely. And give it another whisk. Okay, now to add in my cream cheese. Again, you can add as little or as much as you like. Depends how cream cheesy you want it. I've got half of this, so it's about 125 grams going in. It's going to make it really cheesecakey without being any cream or cheese in it. And we'll give that a whisk in. Okay, all coming together. Now with the strawberries, I like whisking some in and then folding the rest through. So I've got strawberries going in, again, as little or as much as you want. Really depends. If you're counting carbs, how many carbs you want to include, it's totally up to you. And we'll blend the strawberries in. Okay, I'm happy with that. And now we'll just fold the rest through. There you go, I've got my spatula back. We'll pop the strawberries on, and you can have it like this or give them a fold through, which is what I like to do. So you have berries in every mouthful. Oh, that's so yum. And you could pop these into little individual portions, into little serving sizes, or you could just keep it in this lovely bowl over here and pop it in the fridge, and it just thickens beautifully with a few hours in the fridge. But that is the video for today for this lovely vegan strawberry mousse. It's got flavors of cheesecake, and it is just so delicious. Look at all the chunky berries in it. Remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the step-by-step instructions and the full recipe card that you can pin, bookmark and save for whenever you want to make this recipe. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this lovely strawberry mousse a try. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.